A very good morning to all of you. Today we will study about variables and data types in C language. So, what is variable? A variable is a named memory location it is used to store data values. For example, a equal to 5, then 5 will be stored here. Variable, as the name suggests, its value varies. It means the value can be changed during the execution of a program, and it can be reused many times. Now, to declare a variable, you has to use the syntax type variable list. For example, integer a, character b, etc. Now we have some rules to define a variables. Rule number 1: a variable can consist of alphabets, digits, and underscore. A variable name can start with alphabet and underscore only. It means this is correct, this is correct, but it cannot start with a digit. Suppose you have written here like that 21b, so this is incorrect. The variable name does not start with a digit. Point number third: no white space is allowed within the variable name. A variable name must not be a reserved name. Means we cannot use 32 keywords that are available in C language as a variable name. We have different type of variables. These are of 5 types. We have a local variable, we have a global variable, we have a static variable, we have a automatic variable, and we have a external variable. Now let us describe all these variables one by one. So first one is local. A local variable is a variable that is declared inside a function or block. Suppose we have a function and we have declared a variable a here, then this is a local variable to the function a. Or suppose we have a block and we have declared a variable like this, then this is also a local variable. Now one is a global variable, a variable that is declared outside the function or block. This variable is accessed by all the available functions. It must be declared at the start of the block. Next one is the static variable. If we want to declare a variable as static, then in front of a variable we have to use this static keyword. When we want to retain values between different functions, we have to use this. Next one is automatic variable. These variables are just like local variables. If we want to explicitly define these variables, then in front of data type we have to mention auto. Now the last one is external variable. Suppose we have two C files, one is a.c and another one is b.c. We have two programs. If we want to share a variable of a file A with the variable of a file B, then here we have to use the extern keyword in front of the variable. So we can float the value of a external variable between two files of a C program. So these are the types of the variables. Thank you very much.